what kind of oil filter should you get for your car, and does it matter? I put in a 2006 Toyota Tundra and got these results for oil filters. The filters range from $6 to $16 on the first page here, and they all seem to be getting pretty good reviews. And then I put in a 2019 Honda Civic and got these results, which are about the same. The filters got good results, ranging from $16 to $6. So, does it matter which filter I get? Well, the first thing to note is that each car has a different kind of shape. So you need to get a filter that's specifically made for your car, and you'll see the different model numbers. For the Toyota Tundra, you'll see that the threads are raised right here, while the Honda Civic, the threads are lowered in this oil filter. So first make sure that it will fit your car. So like on this one, you'll notice that the description on Amazon says it's for cars and trucks. So it sounds like, oh, it could fit my car. But then if you go to the top and you enter in your car, it might not fit. For example, the Ford F-150 does not fit this filter. So the next thing you want to make sure you check to see if it's the kind of filter you want is whether it is a cellulose media filter, or back at AutoZone, you'll notice that the filter that I clicked on says it's synthetic fiber blend. And the difference between these two would be cellulose doesn't capture as much as a synthetic fiber filter would. This one captures about 20 microns. And we can find out more information if we go to this website, machinerylubrication.com, where they talk about a cellulose filter can filter just a little bit in one square area, while a synthetic filter can filter out a lot more. So it's going to be able to hold a lot more dirt. And so, does that matter? Well, according to this website, pgfilters.com, the Society for Automotive Engineers did a lot of testing, and they found that switching from a 40 micron filter to a 30 micron filter can result in a reduction of engine wear by as much as 50%. So you need to make sure you get the right oil filter for your car, and you want to check to see if it is a cellulose filter or if it has synthetic. So if you'll like this one says synthetic on it, so we know it's a synthetic filter. And we're going to be talking more about the quality of the filter, and some of these filters say, oh, up to 20,000 miles. Is that what you should really do? And does the type of oil that you use, regular oil or synthetic oil, matter? So we'll talk about more of that in the article. So thanks for watching.